Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix live paper not working on iPhone and iPad after update iOS. So guys, I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So fix this problem and do not waste any time. So first solution, you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears on Apple logo screen on your iPhone. So 5 to 10 seconds wait and your mobile is restart, and there your problem will be fixed. So if there are this solution is not working, there are other solution. You have turn on 3D touch. So open the setting and then go to accessibility and scroll up, then you click on touch and then scroll up 3D and haptic touch. I have already turn on, and you have will be turn on 3D touch. And then other solution, you have disable the low power mode. So guys, again you open the setting and scroll up, then you click on battery and then you have disable low battery. I have already disabled the low battery. And then other solution, you have changed the wallpaper type. So again open the setting and then click on wallpaper and then you choose new wallpaper and then you uh, change wallpaper type. So select the live, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are solution is not working, then you have change other solution. You have go to again open the setting and change haptic touch duration. So you have again open the accessibility and then you open the again touch, and then you have again open 3D and haptic touch, and then you have touch duration fast. I have already select fast and you will be select the fast, and then uh, fix this problem 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.